Hey, I thought I'd give everyone a last look here. Yeah, the old carpet bed liner that I put in. If you go back several years, you'll see the video that I made where I put this in. I have everything cleaned out of it, and this is the last that people are going to see of this with the topper on it. I just thought that I would hop on today to make a short update. It is Wednesday, March 2nd, 2022. And I found a bag of clothes. I gotta take to Goodwill. But I have the bed rails ready to go back on. I had a bolt here break and I had to do a repair. I got the little pads that goes on the end of it, and it's got a foot that came off in the middle there. I got all that to put back on it. So anyway, these little bottom plate shields, I'll probably leave them off. It doesn't matter. But anyway, oh yeah, the wires that run to the lights on the outside. Here's just a simple connector. That's all it is. I unplug that. And I unplug those. This runs the dome light and also the third brake light that it had that I took out. And that's the marker lights on this side. And the bolts that holds it down are the same holes that the bed rails went through. I had this off a couple of years ago. No, it's been longer than that. Back in 14, I had it off for a couple of days because the seal was leaking on. I had to replace the seal, but it's been on ever since. But it comes off this week. I might even try tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm also doing a yard cleanup, getting it ready to mow. I got a building that fell over. I'm working on getting it cleaned up. You see I got leaf piles everywhere. The Easter lilies are blooming. We may have an early spring, I don't know. I got this ditch to clean out. That's all I have to do on the front yard. Oh yeah, it's 70 degrees. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts today. That don't mean anything. I wore shorts when it was 35. I wore shorts all winter. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, anyway. Another pothole in the yard. I think there was a fence post there at one time. Anyway, videos are coming back, y'all. It's going to be a fun summer. It's going to be a fun spring, too, anyway. We'll just see what it holds. Anyway, just want to do a quick update for the week. And let you have one last look with a topper on it because it's not going to be around much longer. Like I said, I'm going to try to get it off this week. So, and bed rails are going back on it. So anyways, thank you for watching and hope you all have a good night.